Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to edit photos with Gemini. So if your Galaxy device doesn't support Galaxy AI, don't worry. Samsung's Gemini photo editor is still packed with tools. So you can crop, adjust brightness, fix contrast, add filters, and even retouch images without needing an internet connection. However, if you have internet connection, you can go ahead and try out all these AI tools on Gemini itself. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll go ahead and open up the Play Store. We'll go ahead and download Gemini. Or if you already have Gemini, go ahead and update it. Now once updated, go ahead and open it. Now here we'll go ahead and tap on the plus sign and we'll go ahead and choose a photo from our gallery. So let's just say, for example, this lady here. We'll tap done. And now here in this picture, we want to go ahead and remove the lady from this image. So I'll go ahead and add some actions. So remove the lady. So let's make sure and shadow. Now we'll go ahead and send this off. So now we'll let Gemini do the work for us. So just give it a few seconds. Go ahead and scroll down. And now this has removed the lady and the shadow from that photo. Let's go ahead and try another one. Let's go ahead and say add 20 more ducks. So as you can see, this is what the image was originally. I've basically said add more ducks. So this is the image now. So you always have a reliable editing tools right at your fingertips, even if you don't have Galaxy AI. So whether you're fixing a quick family photo or making a picture Instagram ready, you can edit it anywhere. No Galaxy AI is required, just internet connection. So there you go guys, that is how to edit photos with Gemini on your Samsung Galaxy device.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.